Awaken your soul's sacred sound. It's time to activate and align you to light language, my loves. Welcome. Take a deep breath in through your nose and exhale slowly through your mouth. And again, inhale deep into your belly and exhale, letting your body relax. Filling the earth beneath you, supporting you. Feeling your spine lengthening gently, your heart softening. You are safe, you are supported, and you are ready to meet your internal light. I'm inviting you to bring this beautiful awareness to your heart, starting to feel the rhythm of your breath and the pulsing energy of your soul, allowing everything else to fall away. This moment is you. This moment is sacred. In this now moment, beginning to visualize a golden white light beaming down from the center of the universe of pure love, pure light. It's soft, it's loving, it's radiant. It moves through your crown into your third eye, your throat, your heart, and activating and opening you to your highest, infinite, soul-aligned love and truth. This is your divine remembrance. This is your soul awakening. As this light flows, I invite you to repeat out loud and or silently, I now open to the pure frequency of my soul's original sound. I now open to the pure frequency of my soul's original sound. And repeat this. I allow my light language to awaken in perfect divine timing. I allow my light language to awaken in perfect divine timing. I trust my soul. I trust what flows. I trust my soul. I trust what flows. And in this now moment, you may begin to start feeling more energy flowing through your core, your internal core, through and around your hands. Your third eye might be buzzing. And I want you to fully know that the light language you are feeling is just your soul's illuminated light language. It's love, it's light, it's pure. And as you're receiving this awakening, there is so many beautiful divine beings of light. They are all around you, supporting you, guiding you, holding you. And in this now moment, I invite you to take a deep breath in and let it go. Good. Take another deep breath in and letting it go. And now you're going to hear me speak light language to help you activate and awaken yours. I now 100% transmute codes of remembrance and soul activation to awaken the light language within all listening. May their unique sound come alive with ease, grace, and joy. I invite you in this moment to feel what's happening. Maybe there's even little sounds that want to come out of you. Maybe there's full divine sounds that are ready to flow through you. You may once again feel warmth, tingling, emotion, or deep stillness. Whatever it is, allow it. You are safe. You are supported. I call in all the beautiful divine beings of light, of 100% love, light, and above, in this now moment to help you, guide you, help you remember, help you feel the frequency of your soul, help you speak the frequency of your soul, help you attune to the frequency of your soul. There is no wrong way to experience this. And in this now moment, if you feel called, begin to hum, tone, or speak whatever sounds begin to arise. It may feel foreign, and or it may feel similar. Let it be playful. Let it be sacred. This is you. This is your truth. Just letting whatever wants to come. And once again, it can be a beautiful hum like this. Hum. Or it could be a tone. Shoo. Or even some spoken light language. And or you can just be receiving right now. And this whole beautiful meditation is helping you activate that beautiful internal light within you. This now moment, I invite you to take a big, beautiful breath into your heart, filling up that heart space, feeling the soft light swirling all around you, and allowing this to feel like you're wrapped in a divine memory, a powerful remembrance, and letting go of that beautiful air. Your soul knows this language. It has always been you. It has always been within you. And it's not learned. Light language is not learned. Light language is remembered. I invite you to whisper this to yourself. I trust what flows. My soul is guiding me. I am ready to speak, sing, and channel my soul truth. I invite you And in this now moment, I invite you to take a deep breath in. And as you exhale, connecting deeper to your light language, allowing yourself to ground and soften into your light, into this beautiful remembrance. Light language is a gift. It's a gift from your soul. It's a gift of creation. It's not meant to be feared. To the average human, it may sound different. But when you really attune to your purest light language, it is just love. It is just God consciousness energy. Take a deep breath in, allowing your activation and awakening to happen in this moment as I speak to you. When it comes to your light language, first and foremost, your soul has its own codes, its own frequency, and these codes come from your soul family. So my soul family is Arcturian. And in this moment, I'll share some Arcturian light language with you. Which might sound very familiar to some of you. For some of you, you're here to speak your soul's light language and angelic light language. I'll share some of that with you. Do you remember? Are you having a full body moment? Do you feel any chills coming over your body? Some of you are here to speak, obviously, Pleiadian light language, Sirian light language, Shahakwandarakaishi light language with Sophia Christ consciousness and her divine ascendant masters, Shahakwandarakaishi light language with God consciousness, Mother Earth, water codes. There's so many different frequencies of illuminated light frequency as well as light language that is available for you to hear and speak and remember. Your soul's light language is remembered. And then when you start moving forward to the angels and God consciousness and other beautiful divine beings of light, those are channeled from an active collective source. Shahaka. In the beginning, I invite you to come back to this beautiful meditation and just sit with your soul and speak all the light language that you would desire to speak with your soul. But when you're ready to move forward, this is where I invite you to get training, because there's so many different frequencies that you can open up to, and you want to make sure that you're opening up to the purest divine light. And you'll know when it's time for training. And I'll make sure that I put all the links below to help you. I have 2 light language workshops, as well as a light language academy that can support and serve you. If you would like to know more about where you're from, what light language is here to do for you, and what's your path with it, then I definitely recommend booking a soul blueprint reading, and I can give you all the information that your soul would like you to know. Beyond that, maybe you're listening to this meditation and your activation, your light language is already activated, but there has been this nervousness inside of you of like, can I go out? Can I speak it? What are people going to think of me? And I will tell you, speaking light language has been the best decision of my life. It has led me to so many different corners of the world. It has led me to Costa Rica and Bali and Japan and Europe. And it's even taking me to Canada this summer to do a light language workshop. Which that event is called Dancing with the Divine. It is a 2-day Kundalini awakening and light language extravaganza. So if that really connects and aligns with you, I'll also leave the information down for that event as well. And I will be there doing a whole light language workshop to activate you and expand you so that you can already take this even deeper into the world. With that said, I love you. I adore you. Definitely leave this beautiful video a like and subscribe if you are really connected to this type of frequency. I do beautiful meditations and different videos to help support you on your soul journey. Also, if you know someone else that is a light language goddess or god and they would benefit from this, or maybe someone's curious about it, make sure to share this video, because for me and my soul, we are here to awaken so many beautiful divine beings of light with light language. And I've already been doing it since 2021. That's when my light language workshops and academies started forming. And I've held 3 light language retreats so far, 1 in Costa Rica and 2 in Bali. And then I'll be having some more beautiful light language retreats coming up as well. And if you're interested in those, just feel free to send me a message. Leave me a comment below or message me on Instagram. But this is our time to rise, my loves. There's nothing wrong with light language. There's nothing to fear except connecting with the purity that is what it is. So it's so much love from my light language, from my soul to yours. I thank you for listening to this. I thank you for receiving this. And I'm just so happy inside, literally. I could just feel my soul bursting, going, oh, I'm so excited for so many beings of light to connect to their light language and really feel the purity of this. Because not only has light language helped me in this lifetime, but it's helped, I don't even know how many clients I've had at this point, but I've had so many beautiful divine beings of light, and even beyond clients with my content online. It's helped so many people simply just have a better day and grow and evolve and manifest and expand their wealth, expand their businesses. Light language is freaking epic. And y'all, I created a whole business around light language. So remember, if you feel really called to connect with this, I definitely recommend taking some time to do research. I have a lot of videos on light language on my channel. Feel free to reach out to me and connect. My heart is warm. We're here to rise together, and I'm so excited to meet my soul family. I know a lot of you listening to this are my soul family. A lot of you listening to this are Arcturian. 99% of my clients are usually Arcturian because I'm a big Arcturian activator. So definitely reach out. Even if you just want to leave a comment letting me know how you experience this meditation, I would love to hear it. Okay? I love you. I adore you. And thank you for trusting this meditation to help you remember that purest light, that purest love, that purest frequency inside of you. I love you. Bye, my loves.